And hi, my name is Asmatul Najiah binti Ahmad Supri. My metric number is 270749. So, in construction technology, it is a process. Its process is very important, and the main step prior to its execution is site. A process is defined as a system of operation in the design and development and production of a project. So in this video, I will talk about the project of life of circle first. There is a four stage of the project life cycle. The first stage is initiation stage. Uh, it is understand the goals, pro priorities, deadline, and the risk of project. The second stage is planning stage. It is the outline, the tasks, and the timeline are required to execute on the project. The third stage is execution stage. It is turn your plan into action and monitor project performance. The last stage is closure stage. It is the analysis result, summarize key learning, and planning next stage. The planning the next step. So there is some activity involves during construction project. Like the first one is the feasibility study. It is before the engineering the architect can convince the client or authority of the organization concerned. He must define the objective of the project and also submitted a detailed project brief. The second one is design. It is to plan more detailed work to get permission from the authorities and to determine the cost, like approximate cost, and provide all the information needed. And the third one is tender level. It is to appoint the civil engineer contractor to do the construction work for a certain work. Project is initiated by an owner, then designed by a designer and executed by a contractor. The legal definition of the interaction is established in the general condition of the contract. The three key players in this development sequences are the owner, the designer or design professional, and the contractor. The owner is the initiator party that pays for the facility and will own it after construction is completed. And the owner could be public, it is government or private individual or business entity. The requirement of the owner must be fulfilled by the designer and contractor for complete and ideal resolution of the project. Meanwhile, the designer is normally an entity that works the owner throughout the project from conceptualization to the realization phase of the project. There are two main purposes of the designer based on the contractual relationship and responsibility between the owner and the designer. Meanwhile, the contractor is a party who contract to perform. The contraction plays its role in changing concept to realization. Generally, there are two types of contractor: primes, it is general and general contractor, and subcontractor. The prime contractor and subcontractor. the prime contractor takes the responsibility of the whole work and may divide the work to the subcontractor. In project planning and controlling, it can be seen by project chart scope, project schedule, project resources, project budget and cost, project quality, project risk, and the project communication. It is so important to uh, be planning be carefully. It is because it is will be the reason if the project will be complete by the date of it should be or not, or it should be any problem in future or not. That is it. Not least, project will be considered as successful when the project is complete on the time, within budget, and the quality is certified by all. Success also can define as much better result than the expected or normally obtained in terms of cost, schedule, quality, and safety. That's all from me. Thank you.